Oh, I'm the highway. To be on the highway. Man, the trouble, whatever, highway. The banjo, why me?
Share it into two. So this one doesn't have more stuff, so maybe some other time. You share it into two. Then you put the half at your back, the back of your head. And bring this other two to the front. Then you cross it. One should go to the front and the other to the back. Can you see? After doing that, let me turn my back so you can see the pattern. Now it's ugly, it's not fine, but you have to arrange it with your hand. First of all, you arrange the back one. This one at the back, you arrange it. Then the one at the front, you arrange it also. Take it up. So this is an easy way to tie your head tie very carefully when you go for August meeting. You see it's very, very simple.